Good morning, students. Today we are going to do few multiple choice questions of lesson number 4, sorting of materials or kinds of materials. It will help you in revising the lesson. As you know, chapter is completed and recapitulation part is also done. So try to do the questions by your own at home. And one more important thing to note down is that note down all the multiple choice question in any notebook and revise at home. First question is, all objects are made up of only one material. True or false? So the correct answer is false. The statement is false. One material can be used to make different kinds of objects. Examples: wood can be used to make dolls, chairs, tables and even ships. So here the statement is false. Next question. What happens when water is added to kerosene? A. Water floats above kerosene. B. Kerosene floats above water. C. They both mix well. D. Kerosene reacts with water. So students, read the question again. What happens when water is added to kerosene? So the correct part is B. Kerosene forms a layer above water when both the liquids are mixed and left to settle for some time. This is because the density of kerosene is less than that of water and they do not mix. So kerosene floats above water. Question number 3. Which among these is lustrous? You all know what is luster? Luster is shine. So A part is stone, B is wood, C is gold and D is plastic. So find out which among these is lustrous. So the correct answer is C, gold. Luster is the property which imparts shine to a substance. Metals generally show this property. The metals we generally see are copper, iron, gold and aluminium. Next question. Read all the questions very carefully. A block of wood was placed in the path of light. It completely blocked the light to form a shadow. This is because wood block is A. transparent, B. translucent, C. opaque, D. conductor. So the correct answer is C. opaque. You know what is opaque materials? The materials through which light cannot pass are called opaque. When light falls on an opaque object, some part of the light is absorbed and the other part gets reflected back. So here the correct answer is opaque. Next question. Out of the following options, which group of substances made from the same material? A. switchboard, shirt, socks. B. switchboard, chair, bench. C. shirt, chair, pillow. D. shirt, pillow, socks. So we have to find the which group of substance made from the same material. So here the correct answer is D. shirt, pillow, socks. Switchboard is made of plastic. Chair and bench are made of wood. Shirt, socks and pillow are made up of water. So the correct option is D. shirt, pillow, socks. Shirts, socks and pillow are made of cotton. Next question. Which of the following will sink in water? A. kerosene, B. inflated football, C. petrol, D. rocks. So the correct option is D. rocks. Anything which is less dense than water will sink in it. From the given options, petrol, kerosene and inflated football are less dense than water and hence will float on it. So rocks are generally more dense than water, hence they will sink in it. So rocks is the correct option. Next question is, which among the following substances is the hardest? A. wood, B. cheese, C. iron, Fourth, D part, plastic. So, which is the hardest? Iron. C is the correct option, iron. Hardness is the property of a material to resist deformations. Out of the given options, iron has the highest amount of hardness. Next question. When oil is spread on paper, which of the following are true? A. Objects on the other side of the paper can be seen clearly. B. Objects on the other side of the paper appear more bright. C. Objects on the other side of the paper can't be seen. D. Objects on the other side of the paper can be vaguely seen, not clearly seen means. So, the correct option is D. Objects on the other side of the paper can be vaguely seen, not clearly seen. When the oil is spread on the paper becomes translucent, so objects on the other side of the paper can be vaguely seen or cannot be clearly seen. Next question is, among ice, water, kerosene and petrol, which do you think is heavier? A. Ice. B. Kerosene. C. Petrol. D. Water. So, which is heavier? The correct option is D. Water. Water is heavier than the other options. Ice, kerosene, petrol float on water because they are less dense than water. So the correct option is water. Next question is, which among the following materials has luster, is hard and opaque? A. Rubber. B. Wood. C. Tin. D. Plastic. So, what we have to see? Which among the following materials has luster, is hard and opaque? So, the correct option is C. Tin. Objects that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. Objects that allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. Rubber, wood and tin are opaque. Rubber and wood are not lustrous. So tin is hard, opaque and lustrous. Next question. The objects which do not allow the light to pass through them are called A. Opaque, B. Transparent, C. Transitional and D is translucent. So you study in the video also, in the lesson also, the objects which do not allow the light to pass through them, what we call them? Here the correct option is opaque. Opaque objects do not allow the light to pass through them, example wood, gold, etc. And transparent objects allow the light to pass through them, while translucent objects partially allow the light to pass through them. So here the correct option is opaque. Next question is, which among the following will float on water? A. Needle. B. Pieces of iron. C. Oil. D. Stone. Which among the following will float on water? So think. Here the correct option is C. Oil. Stone, pieces of iron and a needle will sink in water because the density of these objects is greater than that of water, unlike paper. Since oil is lighter than water, oil will float on water. So oil float on water. So here the option is C is correct, oil. Next question. All metals are lustrous in nature. So A is true and B is false. So which one is correct? Here the correct option is A, true. The property of an object to shine under light is called luster. Luster is shine. So all metals are lustrous in nature. Next question. We use knives made of steel in the kitchen. Why do you think steel is preferred? A. Steel is hard. B. Steel is flexible. C. Steel is shiny. D. Steel is soft. So think why steel is preferred in kitchen? Here the correct option is A. Steel is hard. Steel is preferred because of its hardness. Due to this, it can cut almost all the materials used in cooking. So students, go through the videos of lesson number 4 and then do all the multiple choice questions at home. Thank you.